Thanks again for watching. This video is going to show you how to complete an assignment submission from a mobile device using the Foxit Mobile PDF app. The Foxit PDF app is an annotation app which allows you to edit PDF documents and then again submit them to Schoology. This app is great because it's free. It does offer some in-app purchases, as you can see, but the in-app purchases you will not need. Alright, so go ahead and get the PDF app if you do not have it already. And then once it's downloaded, you're going to want to open up Schoology again. Once in Schoology, it's going to bring you to your recent activity page as usual, and if we want to complete one of our assignments, I'm going to use the shortcut over here, the upcoming assignments. I'm going to click on my website scavenger hunt. Now in order to get the PDF for this assignment, I want to look at the attachments. Here there's 3 attachments. Once I click on the View Attachments, it will drop it down, and I can now find the website scavenger hunt PDF. I want to click on that to open it, and it will open it inside Schoology. However, I can't edit it inside Schoology. I can only look at it. To open it up in the new Foxit PDF app, I want to go to this upper right-hand corner where you see the square with the arrow and click on that button. That will drop down this menu, and I want to select Open In. And notice my Foxit PDF isn't right here. So I'm going to scroll over to the right of this row, and I should see my Foxit Mobile PDF app in this row. If you don't see it right there, keep going. You can always organize these with the More button where you can order them in any way you want, turn some on, turn some off. But I want to select Foxit PDF. Now it opens it up inside Foxit Mobile PDF. There's a lot of options that I can do. I can put in some shapes. I can highlight, underline, cross out the text. I can put in quotes. I can also write on it, highlight, stamp, all sorts of fun stuff that you can do. The one that I like to use the most, though, is just the simple T, which is to insert a text box. Once I've clicked on that T, now I can click anywhere in the document to put a text box. Notice that it brings up a little cursor, and now it brings up the keyboard. If the cursor's not where you wanted it to be, just click again to try and get it where you want it to be. And I can now type in any text that I want to put in this PDF document, such as my name. Once your name is in, just click somewhere else in the document, and you can continue to punch in all the text into the blanks that you need. Now I've got my block 1, and I can scroll down to some of the other blanks. I'm going to go ahead and answer the first question. I like the scaffolding picture, so I typed in scaffolding there. Now that I'm finished putting in all of my answers, now obviously I didn't do all of my answers in front of you, you're going to have to do that on yourself. I'm going to go up here to the little home button so that I can save my document. Now it's going to open up this file section where it's saving all of your modified PDFs. I want to make my website scavenger hunt very specific to me, so I want to rename it with my name. In order to do that, I want to come up to the right corner and click Edit. This will allow me to select one of my files, which I'm going to choose the website scavenger hunt, and then I'm going to choose the option Rename. Now this brings up the file name, and I want to put my last name right up front. Now when you go ahead and submit this to Schoology, it's not just in your account, but it also has your name on it, so that if I go ahead and download all my students' documents, I know which one belongs to each student. Once you've put your name on it, go ahead and click Rename. You can now see the new name of your file, and now I'm done renaming it. So click Done. And now I can go back in the document to submit it. So click on the document. This should open it up in the editing window. And now to export this document to Schoology, I want to click on the square in the upper right-hand corner with the arrow out. This symbol always means open up outside of the current app. And it's going to drop down this huge menu, and there's a lot of options there. I want to choose the Open In option, which will then bring up this window, and I can see right there, Open in Schoology. Again, if you don't see Open in Schoology, scroll over to the right in this row. It should be there. You can always reorganize those using the More option. Now it brings me back to Schoology, and I can click Submit to Assignment, choose my block, and pick the assignment that I'm going to submit it to. It's going to ask you to confirm that you want to upload this assignment, and yes, you want to confirm it by clicking Upload. Give it a moment to think about it, and then it should give you a confirmation that your submission has been added. If you want to verify that your submission has indeed been added, you can always go back to the assignment and click on the Submissions tab. There you'll be able to see all of your submissions. You can see the date, time that you submitted it, and you can even verify that it was submitted on time. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about how to submit an assignment using a mobile device, and specifically the Foxit mobile PDF app, just come up and ask me a question in class.